I should be working on my shop truck, but had an opportunity come up and figured I'd take you guys along instead. So this is gonna have to wait, even though we've got the whole thing torn apart. You guys figured it out yet? Buying a Corvette. No, I'm kidding. We're gonna find out if we take this truck home today or not. We're gonna go inside and talk to, I guess we're gonna talk to Bobby's son, actually, not actually Bobby. Bobby's the one that helped me with videos, actually 2 of them, for the build quality video and the battery issue video I did on the channel recently. So we're gonna be dealing with his son today to probably do a sale, maybe, I don't know. And then we'll see. Well, we did a thing. Truck is officially purchased. Wow! Dang, that's bright. Holy crap. Truck is purchased. It's over here in detail. Not the best rate in the world, but we got the full warranty. So I guess I got to sell more parts to you guys. I've got a whole bunch of videos lined up for what we're gonna do to this truck. There she is. There's the truck. Well, see, this one didn't come with a bed liner. That was what I sacrificed. No bed liner and no hitch. Oh, and I broke my gimbal. Well, apparently I'm supposed to name the truck, huh, babe?
Yep, I've already named it.
You already named it?
Yep. Do you want the name?
I'm sure YouTube would love to know what you named our truck.
Blueberry.
Blueberry?
Blueberry.
All right, you heard it here first. This is Blueberry, and apparently my truck is Badlander, so Blueberry and Badlander. It's one thing to walk around somebody else's vehicle and nitpick all the things wrong with it, and it's an entirely different thing to take a look at your own vehicle and notice the things wrong with it, or just the surrealness of it all. My 2004 Colorado that I'm building right now was the newest vehicle that I've ever purchased, and that was 52,000 miles, and like 4 years old, 3.5 years old. So this is 18 miles on it. It's weird. Flat out, it's weird. So all the people that are buying my parts and watching the videos and whatnot, I appreciate every single one of you guys. I thoroughly enjoy helping you guys out build your vehicles into what you want it. It's a little weird that you know, you guys buying my parts is paying for this truck, but it just leads into a new chapter of me building new parts for these trucks and providing you guys with an opportunity to you know, build your 23 3rd gen Colorado Canyon, make parts as these things age and find out things that are wrong with it and things that we can make better, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna drive this $50,000 hopefully not a mistake home, and pick up my wife and go pick up the kiddo as well. Yeah, I don't think it's set in yet. It's still super weird for me, but it's cool, so let's go. I'll tell you what. This is weird. Yes, I know my key is in the truck still. This is weird. Flat out, this is weird. First impressions, I like it. I only hit the gas kind of, I don't know, half throttle once to pass a semi because I was in the wrong lane. And it's got some juice, that's for sure. So I guess coming from a Scion old toaster, anything's got power, but got a bunch of little issues here and there which we'll have to sort out later on as far as like paint quality is concerned. I've got a bunch of vendors that I've been working with trying to develop products and bring products to you guys, or just been combing the internet for cool mods to do, and I found a couple that I want to do, and I'll have a video coming up of the first I believe about 10 mods that I'm going to do to this truck. For now, I'm gonna go inside and hang out with my family, and maybe this will set in at some point. But this was just a quick come along with me. I bought a $50,000 truck video, and thanks for watching.